A question that's perplexed scientists and curious kids alike for centuries. Does life exist outside of our universe? Trying to quantify this may seem impossible, but many people are trying in the SETI organization. Standing for the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, they're an organization that works to find other intelligent civilizations in our universe. To calculate the probability of these aliens existing, they are using the Drake equation. So the Drake equation was created in 1961 by Frank Drake, and it tries to estimate the number of communicating galaxies from 1961 in the Milky Way. So the equation itself is the rate of formation of stars in the Milky Way, the number with planets over the total in the Milky Way, the number of planets suitable for life over the total in the Milky Way, the fraction where life appears in the Milky Way, the fraction where life takes hold in the Milky Way, the fraction of civilizations that actually produced detectable life in the Milky Way, and the amount of time the civilizations last for. All in all, this will give you the number of civilizations with intelligent beings in the Milky Way. Right now, you might be asking yourself, if we have this equation to calculate the number of planets in our galaxy that can communicate, then why haven't we calculated it yet? The answer is simple. We don't have enough data to multiply together to get the final number of planets. However, the success of the Kepler and K2 missions show that we may be able to make headway in calculating some of these variables. This mission dealt with the number of planets that are suitable for life in the Milky Way, and they measured 2 million stars to see if any of them had Earth-sized exoplanets that could be viable for life. They used brightness, and they found 4,000 planets that were viable and 50 planets that were rocky and had water. Some of these planets may be habitable, which would be the conditions needed to be calculated in the equation. A lot of people take issue with the Drake equation. The probability seems so high of finding another intelligent civilization, so why haven't we yet found life? How accurate is the Drake equation? According to Ethan Siegel, an expert at Forbes, there are 4 main reasons why it's not super accurate. First, the Drake equation was created after the Big Bang theory was found to be the most probable theory of the creation of our universe. This could affect the numbers and the variables in the equation because our universe is constantly expanding, and this does not take into account in the Drake equation. Another issue is that the Drake equation assumes that only one star per system can support life, which we know is not true. A third assumption is that life never spread to other planets, which may or may not be true. And a fourth issue is that radio signals are the best way of detecting life, and SETI has come up empty so far in detecting them. These concerns are represented in the Fermi paradox created by the scientist Fermi who was talking to his friends at lunch. The paradox is quite simple. If life is so plentiful, where is it?